Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Ever felt like your home office printer is more of a headache than a help? Slow, unreliable, always running out of ink at the worst possible moment? Well, what if I told you there's a new solution that actually makes printing easy? Today, we're putting the brand new DeskJet 4258E all-in-one wireless inkjet printer through its paces. And let me tell you, it's a game changer for anyone working from home or managing a busy household. This isn't just a printer. It's your complete home office command center. With the 4258E, you can effortlessly print, scan, copy, and yes, even fax, all from one sleek, compact device. No more needing separate gadgets cluttering your desk. What truly sets it apart is the reliable dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity. Forget those frustrating dropped connections mid-print. This printer stays linked, ensuring your important documents and vibrant photos come out crisp, clear, and exactly when you need them. Whether it's a detailed report for work, colorful school projects, or those cherished family photos, the DeskJet 4258E delivers professional quality results every single time, making your life simpler and your output look fantastic. But let's talk about boosting your productivity, because that's where the DeskJet 4258E really shines. Have you ever stood over a scanner, manually placing page after page? It's tedious, right? This printer eliminates that pain point entirely with its integrated 35-page automatic document feeder, or ADF. Just stack your multi-page contract, report, or stack of receipts, hit a button, and watch it scan or copy them all in one go. This isn't just a convenience, it's a massive time saver, freeing you up to focus on more important tasks. Coupled with its fast printing speed and incredibly intuitive controls, even complex jobs become straightforward. Navigating menus and getting your tasks done is a breeze, thanks to a user-friendly interface that doesn't require a tech degree to understand. And for those conscious about their environmental footprint, you'll appreciate its Energy Star certification, proving that efficiency and eco-friendliness can go hand in hand without sacrificing performance. Now, let's talk about modern convenience and peace of mind. The DeskJet 4258E truly embraces the connected lifestyle with its seamless integration with the HP Smart app. Imagine this. You're on the couch, or even out running errands, and you remember you need to print a document. No problem. With the HP Smart app on your smartphone or tablet, you can manage print, scan, and copy jobs remotely. It's like having a remote control for your printer, allowing for flexible home workflows and cloud integration that means you can access and print files from anywhere. And here's the real kicker for stress-free printing. It's instant ink ready. Activate HP Plus and subscribe to Instant Ink, and you'll never run out of ink again. The printer smartly monitors your ink levels and automatically orders and delivers new cartridges right to your door before you even think about needing them. This reliable ink management system keeps every document sharp and colorful, saving you trips to the store and those last-minute ink emergencies. It's truly a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Beyond its impressive feature set, the DeskJet 4258E is also designed for your modern living space. Its compact, stylish white design means it fits effortlessly into any home office or corner without dominating the room. And here's something else to feel good about. It's sustainably crafted from recycled materials, helping to reduce waste while looking great. It's a small footprint with big capabilities. So, if you're tired of fighting with your old printer and ready to embrace a seamless, productive, and truly smart printing experience, the DeskJet 4258E is absolutely worth your attention. It's an all-in-one powerhouse that brings together convenience, speed, smart connectivity, and eco-conscious design into one elegant package. It simplifies your workflow, saves you time, and ensures you always have professional quality documents at your fingertips, all while giving you the peace of mind that you'll never run out of ink unexpectedly. This printer isn't just an upgrade. It's an investment in a smoother, more efficient home office. Ready to revolutionize your home office printing? You can find the DeskJet 4258E and all the details you need, including current pricing and where to buy, linked directly in the description below. Go check it out, and let us know in the comments if you've tried it, or what your favorite feature is. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Make your daily tasks easier and your workspace smarter. You deserve it.